Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn 50 vegetable vocabulary sentences in English. Vegetables are healthy, colorful, full of vitamins, good for our body. These easy English sentences will help kids improve speaking skill, learn vegetables names easily, build English vocabulary. So, are you ready, smart kids? Let's learn healthy vegetables names together. Vegetable vocabulary sentences. Potato. The potato is brown.
Potato. The potato is brown.
Tomato. The tomato is red.
Tomato. The tomato is red.
Onion. The onion makes me cry.
Onion. The onion makes me cry.
Carrot. Carrots are good for eyes.
Carrot. Carrots are good for eyes.
Cabbage. The cabbage is green.
Cabbage. The cabbage is green.
Cauliflower. The cauliflower is white.
Cauliflower. The cauliflower is white.
Spinach. Spinach is healthy.
Spinach. Spinach is healthy.
Brinjal. The brinjal is purple.
Brinjal. The brinjal is purple.
Peas. Peas are small and green.
Peas. Peas are small and green.
Corn. Corn tastes sweet.
Corn. Corn tastes sweet.
More vegetable sentences. Radish. The radish is long.
Radish. The radish is long.
Beetroot. Beetroot is dark red.
Beetroot. Beetroot is dark red.
Garlic. Garlic smells strong.
Garlic. Garlic smells strong.
Ginger. Ginger is spicy.
Ginger. Ginger is spicy.
Cucumber. Cucumber keeps us cool.
Cucumber. Cucumber keeps us cool.
Pumpkin. The pumpkin is big.
Pumpkin. The pumpkin is big.
Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is healthy.
Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is healthy.
Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd tastes bitter.
Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd tastes bitter.
Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is green.
Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is green.
Capsicum. Capsicum looks colorful.
Capsicum. Capsicum looks colorful.
Healthy vegetables. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like a tree.
Broccoli. Broccoli looks like a tree.
Turnip. Turnips grow underground.
Turnip. Turnip grow underground.
Mushroom. The mushroom is soft.
Mushroom. The mushroom is soft.
Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes taste sweet.
Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes taste sweet.
Lettuce. Lettuce is used in salad.
Lettuce. Lettuce is used in salads.
Celery. Celery is crunchy.
Celery. Celery is crunchy.
Zucchini. Zucchini is green.
Zucchini. Zucchini is green.
Kale. Kale is a leafy vegetable.
Kale. Kale is a leafy vegetable.
Spring onion. Spring onion are long.
Spring onion. Spring onion are long.
Green chili. Green chilies are spicy.
Green chili. Green chilies are spicy.
Kitchen vegetables. Red chili. Red chilies are hot.
Red chili. Red chilies are hot.
Mint. Mint smells fresh.
Mint. Mint smells fresh.
Coriander. Coriander leaves are green.
Coriander. Coriander leaves are green.
Curry leaves. Curry leaves smells nice.
Curry leaves. Curry leaves smell nice.
Drumstick. Drumsticks are long vegetable.
Drumstick. Drumsticks are long vegetable.
Bean. Beans are healthy.
Bean. Beans are healthy.
Cluster beans. Cluster beans are green.
Cluster beans. Cluster beans are green.
Raw banana. Raw bananas are used in cooking.
Raw banana. Raw bananas are used in cooking.
Green papaya. Green papaya is healthy.
Green papaya. Green papaya is healthy.
Jackfruit. Jackfruit is very large.
Jackfruit. Jackfruits are very large.
Fun vegetable sentences. Salad. I eat vegetable salad.
Salad. I eat vegetable salad.
Soup. Vegetable soup is tasty.
Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup is tasty.
Basket. The basket is full of vegetables.
Basket. The basket is full of vegetable.
Farmer. The farmer grows vegetables.
Farmer. The farmer grows vegetables.
Market. Mother buys vegetables from the market.
Market. Mother buys vegetables from the market.
Vitamins. Vegetables gives us vitamins.
Vitamins. Vegetables gives us vitamins.
Healthy food. Vegetables are healthy food.
Healthy food. Vegetables are healthy food.
Healthy food. Vegetables are healthy food. Cooking. Mother cooks vegetables daily.
Cooking. Mother cooks vegetables daily.
Healthy eating. I eat vegetables every day.
Healthy eating. I eat vegetables every day.
Amazing job, kids. Today we learned 50 vegetable vocabulary sentences. Now you can speak about vegetables confidently in English. Eat healthy vegetables every day and stay strong and active. Great job, kids. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye.